Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Colton, local and long-distance movers near me. Finding a trustworthy and cheap Colton moving company means you need to hire 3 movers. We offer the right choice for local and long-distance moves of all types. Our team works with both residential and commercial clients when it comes to moves. Whether you're moving just down the road or across the country, we make moving days so much easier. Our team of long-distance movers will help take the stress away from your moving day. We provide you with the necessary services and a trustworthy crew ready to handle the heavy lifting for you. Whether you want just the basics or you want a full-service move, we can help. Some of the services we offer include packing and unpacking, supplying packing material always on time and transparent pricing. With the right California moving company, you gain so many benefits. You won't have to recruit friends or family to help you with those super heavy and bulky items. In fact, you won't have to do any heavy lifting at all. We'll take care of it all and save you a ton of time in the process. When you hire 3 movers, you get a professional team ready to work for you. We speed up moving day for you. Our team can handle even a very large local move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Colton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.